Which planet is nicknamed the Red Planet? Mars. Red alert on Mars. What sweet food do bees produce? Honey. Sweet success. What color do you get by mixing blue and yellow? Green. Yellow plus blue equals green. How many lives is a cat said to have? 9. That's a lot of chances. What is the only mammal that can truly fly? A bat, the only mammal that can fly. What is the largest ocean on Earth? The Pacific Ocean, largest and deepest. You can hear sound in space. Like if it's true, subscribe if it's false. False. Space is silent. There's no air to carry sound. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the US? France, gifted in 1886. Which is heavier, a pound of feathers or a pound of bricks? They weigh the same! A classic trick question. If you pass the person in second place, what place are you in? Second place! Sneaky logic. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra, not Sydney, right? What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City, only 0.2 square miles. Which language has the most native speakers? Mandarin Chinese, over 900 million speakers. Look closely and find the odd one out. Got it! Which country has the largest population? India, over 1.4 billion people as of 2025. What is the tallest building in the world? The Burj Khalifa, 828 meters of wow. What is the wizarding school in Harry Potter? Hogwarts. Wish you studied there? Who is known as the King of Pop? Michael Jackson. Over 400 million records sold. Who painted the Sistine Chapel ceiling? Michelangelo, painted while lying on his back. What is the largest animal in the world? The blue whale weighs as much as 30 elephants. Which is heavier, a cruise ship or a cloud? A cloud. Some clouds weigh millions of tons. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus, hotter than Mercury. What is the only even prime number? Two, the only even prime. Who is the Norse god of thunder? Thor, Norse god of thunder. What is the longest river in the world? The Nile, over 6,650 kilometers long. Which of these languages is written right to left? Arabic, written right to left. What element are diamonds made of? Carbon turns into diamonds under pressure. Which animal has the largest brain? Sperm whale, bigger than any other animal's brain ever. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen, 78% of Earth's air. What is the main ingredient in sushi? Rice, the base of sushi. Which letter is not in any U.S. state name? Q, found in no U.S. state name. How many months have 28 days? 12. All months have at least 28 days. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? The liver, largest internal organ. Which chemical element has the symbol K? calcium, K from Latin callium. Your stomach can digest metal. Share this video if it's true. Comment if it's false. False. Even stomach acid has its limits. What is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia. Many guess Rio by mistake. Who was the first human in space? Yuri Gagarin, 1961 space pioneer. Which continent has no active volcanoes? Australia, no active volcanoes. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Marie Curie, first woman Nobel winner. Which country has the most time zones? France, 12 time zones. Who was the lead singer of Queen? Freddie Mercury, iconic frontman. Look closely and find the odd one out. Got it! Which continent has the most countries? Africa, 54 countries. Name a mammal that lays eggs. The platypus lays eggs. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls, over 3,200 feet high. What travels around the world while staying in a corner? A postage stamp stays in the corner, travels far. Which is the only continent with no deserts? Europe, no deserts here. What is the longest bone in the human body? The femur, longest human bone. Which one moves faster, lightning or electricity in a wire? Electricity in a wire travel close to the speed of light. Who wrote the Iliad and the Odyssey? Homer wrote the Odyssey and Iliad. What is the largest carnivorous land animal? The polar bear, top land predator. Which country has the unicorn as its national animal? Scotland. Yes, the unicorn. What is the most common letter in English? E, most common letter. Which bones are babies born without? Kneecaps. Babies grow them later. Which country has won the most soccer World Cups? Brazil won 5 times.
What is the deepest point in the ocean? What's your answer? The Mariana Trench. It's deeper than Mount Everest is tall.
Which country has the longest coastline? Canada, over 200,000 kilometers of coastline. What is the dot over the letters I and J called? A tittle. That dot has a name.
Thank you for participating in the Bussin Quiz Challenge. Comment how many answers you got right. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more quizzes and fun.